Okay, guys, what if I told you there is investment that pays you forever? Not for 10 years, not for 20 years, but forever. And this magical concept in finance we call perpetuity. What is perpetuity? So perpetuity means that equal cash payment that continue forever. Equal a series of equal cash payment that continue forever with no ending date. Think of it as like income stream that never stop. So you invest once, mean make a single upfront investment, then receive forever, same amount every year, no in debt. And principal stay. This means that only income is withdrawn, not capital. So you will have just to withdraw the annual income and you will not have to touch that capital you have invested at the start. Clear? Now, here we have an example, family trust. This, suppose you set up a trust fund worth 1 million, this amount, and it earns 100,000. This is the annual income. This is your trust fund. Only the yearly income, this amount is you will have to withdraw. And this will for generation. This means that your children, your grandchildren, and future generation keep receiving this annual income. And that is called perpetuity. Okay. Now here we have another example that is a practical example. The British government once issued bond and that we call console bond. And this is the real world perpetuity. This was in 1751. The British government issued console bond, ongoing. Investor receive annual interest, that is for forever, and no debt, means there's no maturity date, payment never stop. So the British government once issued bonds called console. Investor paid money once and received interest payment year after year with no maturity date. As long as the government existed, the payment continued, and that is the real world perpetuity. Clear? Then we have an example number third, university scholarship. Imagine donating 10 million. This is the donation, 10 million to the university. And it on every year that 1 million fund scholarship, there's one, it's on 1 million annually. That is 1 million annual earning used for scholarship. So every year that 1 million fund scholarship while the 10 million remain untouched. So this means that this amount is the principal amount and this will not touch. So I mean this is untouched amount and this income will be used for, also this is stay uninvested and this amount should be used for scholarship purpose. So this is the 10% annual return on investment principle. So this means that donating 10 million to the university, it on 1 million annually, and every year that 1 million funds scholarship, while the 10 million remain untouched. Means scholarship continue forever. That is another perpetuity. Clear? Why this is perpetuity? If you see here, principal amount is this one and never spent. Mean this is locked. It's stay invested. Annual income, this is your annual income 1 year like a clockwork, and no in date. Mean new student benefit for generation to come, and real purpose structure impact with infinite reach. Infinite reach. Clear? So I have just told you three example. What you have to remember that perpetuity means that equal payment forever. The principal stay intact, and only income is withdrawn. No maturity date, use and variation, bond and finances. Okay, so by perpetuity we means that equal payment forever, principal stay intact, only income is withdrawn. By only income I mean that your earning income from that investment yearly, and there is no maturity date, and this is used in valuation bond in finances. Now here we have formula, the present value of perpetuity, annual cash flow divided by interest rate. So you will have the present value of perpetuity. So the present value of perpetuity means this one. This is your annual cash flow. Annual cash flow. So when annual cash flow is divided by this interest rate. Now I will explain here. You see, present value means what you pay invest today. So that is called present value. Now this is the annual cash flow, the fixed payment you receive each year. So we call that as annual cash flow and we denote this with C. So PV is equal to C divided by R. PV is your what you pay invest today. C is your annual cash flow, mean the fixed amount, the fixed payment you receive each year. That's your income which you will withdraw. And R is the interest rate. I mean expected rate of return is a decimal. So this is your expected rate of return from that investment. Clear? If I give example, let's say we have annual cash flow C, and C is let's say or 10,000, and your or mean the interest rate is 10%. So the present value will be this 10,000 divided by this amount, and definitely it will be 1 lakh. This is the present value. Clear? So if you receive the same amount every year and those payments never end, their stream is called perpetuity. And this is the example that we have done. Okay. So what you will have to remember, these are the key takeaway. Perpetuity means equal payment forever. The principal fully intact. They should be fully intact. Only income, return or withdrawn, and there is no maturity or end date, and use and variation in bar. So here, if I draw a diagram, this one you see, this is a fund. Let's say you have just a principal amount 10. This principal amount you will not touch. From here, annually you will get a flow, and we call that flow as your income, and this income you will withdraw. There is no hurdle or no barrier to stop this flow, and this will be for lifetime. And this is used for valuation purpose, bond and finances. Okay, so you have understand that. But what if those payments grew every year? That is called growing perpetuity, and it is how many company and stock or value. So that is, if it is growing every year, then we call that as your growing perpetuity. Hope you understand this. And the next video, inshallah, we discuss another topic. Thank you for watching.